I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you suspect any unusual activity on your Stripe account, it is essential to report it promptly. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Before changing your settings, use the eShrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, go to your account dashboard. This is where you can access all your account settings and reports. Step 3. Access the support section. Look for the support or help section within the dashboard. This is typically found in the bottom left corner of the screen. Step 4. Report suspicious activity. In the support section, find the option to report suspicious activity. Fill out the form with all relevant details, including transaction ID and descriptions of the issue. A quick tip: double-check the transaction ID. Entering them incorrectly can delay the response. Step 5. Submit your report. After completing the form, review your information and submit the report. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to report any suspicious activity effectively. Remember, it is always better to be safe than sorry.